and welcome back to our final video of our email editor series. Today I'm going to show you how to send a bulk email using the new editor and also give you all of the details about the release. So I've just started by navigating to our search leads page. From here you will be able to select options like status and filter out things like assigned user and other filtering options at the bottom. For today's purpose, I am just going to send it to myself, so I am just going to select the tick box for my demo account, and then I'm going to navigate to the bulk actions button. From here, I'll have the option to apply to the selected leads or apply to all of the leads that are within that list. So it could be that you're wanting to send out a bulk email to all of your cold contacts, or ones that you've maybe tried to call attempt, or also maybe a prospecting nurture bulk email that you'd like to warm them leads up. So essentially a bulk email is that you can send all of the emails at once rather than manually going into each individual lead and opening them up and sending them manually. So from here I'm going to select contact and I'm then going to choose the email template that I would like to send. You could go with a generic blank email and build the email out as part of the editor, but for today's purpose I am going to go with my demo prep email. So once I have selected that, it will then open it up within the new editor. I'll have all of the same options that I have already shown you, from choosing between mobile, selecting different content or structure boxes, or amending any information that's needed. For today, I am happy with the content that is already in there, but I do want to preview it and see how it would look in an email out to the customer. So I am just going to select the preview option. It will again give me the image to text ratio, as well as the ability to send a test to myself or to add different email addresses in to test multiple accounts. So from here, now that I'm happy with this content, I will have the option to add different CC or BCC options as well as attachments as well. I can choose to save it as a new template if it is one that I have created and I want to then store it within the template section of the system. And I will have the option to choose from who it is sent from. So I'll have either myself, the associated site, or the lead. So the associated site will be the site's email address that is on the system. It is usually a generic company email, so info@ or admin@, or also the option to send as the lead assigned user. I'm going to keep it as myself for today, and I'm just going to close this tab down. I am again happy with the content, so I am going to continue and select next. And from here I'll get a pop-up just to make sure that I am happy to confirm the campaign and I am sure that I want to send it out to all of the customers. So now that I am happy, I'm going to select send, and that will then take me back to the previous bulk actions options that we had within the old editor and the option to notify by email. So from here you'll then have the different options to see whether the lead has been sent or if it has been prohibited and for what reason. So it could be that that lead has unsubscribed or they do have their preferences set to do not contact. You will have the option to send up to 20,000 leads at a time, making sure that it is super efficient for larger campaigns. So that's it, you've now sent a bulk email. And now that we can move on to the next steps of the actual email editor release. So just a quick reminder, on Tuesday the 7th of October between 5:30 and 7:30 am, bulk email sending and template editing will be temporarily unavailable whilst we release the new editor to all of our customers. Any automated emails that are triggered by lead actions or workflows will continue as normal and all services will remain available. Full functionality will be restored automatically once the maintenance is complete and no action is required on your part. After the release, you'll be able to enjoy all of the features you've seen in this video series, so that is manual emails, bulk emails and full email editing in the new user-friendly editor. Our support team is always here if you need any help getting started, and you can keep track on our status page of where our maintenance window is up to. So that's it, you're now ready to send both manual and bulk emails using the new editor. Thank you for following along during this series, and we really hope that you enjoy the new tools that are about to be released.